What if I told you that you can promote Amazon affiliate links on TikTok without showing your face and without spending a single dollar on ads and without filming a single video yourself? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Clipwise AI to create a viral TikTok content that drive free traffic to your Amazon affiliate links and how we can promote Amazon affiliate products step by step on TikTok. Okay, I have been doing this business, guys, for over 6 years. I know exactly how this business works, and I make over $10,000 per month with the Amazon affiliate program. Just this month, in just 23 days, I have made $14,793 in commissions. Okay, this is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard. This is summary here. This is my commissions, and this is bounties over here. Okay, so step number one for people who want to start making money with the Amazon affiliate program and promote Amazon affiliate links on TikTok, you guys need to create an Amazon affiliate account like this one. Okay, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Just go to Google, search for Amazon associate, click on the first link, sign up using your email address, follow just few steps. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with the Amazon affiliate program. Okay, to create a faceless viral content that you guys can use to promote Amazon affiliate links on TikTok, we will use Clipwise. Okay, so Clipwise AI is an AI powered video creation platform that lets you turn simple ideas or text prompt or links into ready to post short videos that you guys can use to promote Amazon affiliate links on TikTok without filming, without editing yourself, without showing your face, and it writes the script, generates visuals, and add voiceovers and captions. It's super easy to use, and the link of Clipwise AI will be in my video description. So once you click on the link, it's gonna take you to this page. It's easy to use. Just come to this page like this and scroll down. Go over here to select video agent and choose Ecom video. Okay, like this. So what you need to do next is you need to put here the name of the product that you want to promote. Okay, and I'll share with you guys one of my profitable products that I'm promoting as an Amazon affiliate marketer on TikTok. Okay, pay close attention, please. Go to your amazon.com and search for this product, guys. Okay, hair loss for women. Okay, so this product, guys, has high commission. The commission rate of this product, it's up to 10%. The niche is beauty, and the products in this niche, they are profitable for Amazon affiliate marketers. Okay, and this product, guys, is already getting over 30,000 sales in the past month. Okay, over 30,000 people paid for this product in the past month, meaning that this product solves a big problem, and this product, guys, has high demand. Okay, so what you will do next, you will copy the name of this product like this. I will copy just this part and go back to Clipwise, put the product name here and scroll down, and you will see here this option. So for me, I will choose this one, from web link. I will click on this one. Just click on this one, guys, from web link. And what you will do next, you will go back to this Amazon products page that you want to promote and copy the product link. Okay, the product page link, copy like this, go back to Clipwise and put the product link here, paste. Okay, and you guys also have access to those options. So if you want to make your video in English, choose English. You want to make your video in Spanish, choose Spanish, French, and so much more. Okay, they have different languages, so you can make your video in different languages and target different audiences. Okay, so you can also click here to choose the time of your short video. If you want your video to be up to 30 seconds, 45, and so on. So for me, I'm gonna choose just up to 15 seconds, and here I'm gonna keep it vertical, and here you have style. Okay, you will choose problem solution. Okay, so once you can also click on add additional setting if you want to add additional setting. Once you finish, just click on generate, and it's gonna take you to this page, guys. Okay, so what you will do next, you will scroll down here and you need to select the visual that you want to use, your avatar and your voiceover. Okay, so you can click here if you want to select and choose visual theme. Okay, you guys can see you have different. So for me, I'm gonna keep using this one, and you can also choose your avatar here if you want to select avatar. Okay, click here and they will show you AI avatars that you guys can use. Okay, you see we have a lot. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. Okay, and I will click on confirm like this. Okay, and I will choose also, guys, I will go back and choose a voiceover.
Welcome to this training course. We will be covering multiple modules.
This is a really high quality voiceover. I will choose this one. So I will just click on this one. If you want to choose different voiceover, click over here and they will show you all the voiceovers available here. Okay, and you can choose the voiceover that you want to use. Okay, also I will go back. You can also add background music. Okay, you can click on show back, just click on background music and they will show you the background music options and you can select the one that you like. Okay, this one is a good one. I will select this one and click on confirm. It's super easy, guys. Okay, so you see, select voiceover and here you go. So what you will do next, just click on generate scene. Okay, like this, and here you go, it started generating your video and your video will be done just in few seconds. Okay, and here you go, guys, your video is done. You see, this is really amazing. Okay, let's check it.
Thinning hair. Nutrafol women's supplements target 6 root causes like stress and nutrition. Clinically proven for thicker, stronger hair in 3 to 6 months. Take 4 capsules daily. Rated 4.2 stars by 18,000 plus women.
You guys can see it's a really amazing video. Okay, so if you guys also want to edit, if you didn't, for example, like something in the video, you can click here on edit timing. Okay, let's like this. Okay, and you can edit anything you want. So for example, I'm gonna, let me see, I'm gonna hide the avatar from this part here and from also here. I will click on hidden. I want to show the avatar just in the beginning of the video. You guys have option. Okay, so also here and also this one. Okay, let me check now.
Struggling with thinning hair? Nutrafol women's hair growth supplements tackle 6 root causes like stress and nutrition. With 21 vitamins and natural ingredients, 4 capsules daily support thicker, stronger hair. See results in 3 to 6 months. Try Nutrafol now for $74.80 monthly.
You guys can see this is really an amazing video. You guys can use this video, you can download, you can click on export and download this video to your laptop and go to TikTok and create a TikTok account and start promoting Amazon affiliate links on TikTok. People already are promoting Amazon products as an affiliate marketers and they are making good commissions. They are getting so much traffic from TikTok. You guys can see you don't need to show your face. You can create videos like those. Okay, you don't have to show your face, you don't have to use your voice. Just use Clipwise AI and start creating short videos fast that you guys can use to promote your Amazon affiliate links on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and more. Okay, Clipwise AI helps affiliate marketers produce professional looking short videos without showing their face or learning complex editing, so they can post more, test what works, and attract clicks to their affiliate links. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.